Hey guys, how are you? It's been a long time since I haven't uploaded any videos here in our channel. And yes guys, what we have here is a Samsung Galaxy S10. So this is quite an old device. So it was released on March 2019. Until now guys, I can still see some people, they're still using Samsung S10. I'm pretty much curious about this device, yes, because I think this is one of the best phone that Samsung has ever made. Okay, so guys, let's start first with the display. So I don't know about you guys, but for me the display is really nice. I super like this one. And as you can see, the bezels here, it's very premium. And then when you hold the device, it's pretty expensive. And at the back, so we have here the glass as materials. For me guys, the display is still very great in 2023. Yes. And then also with the design, it has just a punch hole here on the upper right, and at the back, so we have that volume rocker here, and we have the 3.5 millimeter jack headphone, and also with the camera. Let's talk about the camera. So I have used the camera of the Samsung S10, and guys, what I like the most is the front facing camera, because it has the ability to autofocus. This one, so you can autofocus. Yes, and I really like this one since I'm using in making this video for my other channel. So for the camera guys, it is still a very nice camera. The wide angle, it's still doing its job, and also the video recording, it is still superb in 2023. We have a slight issue when it comes to the battery, since most of the new phones, they are packed with large capacity battery, but Samsung S10 in 2023, it still can survive for 1 day use for light to moderate usage. Yes, but you shouldn't worry a lot, since it is capable of fast charging. So you can easily charge this one for 1 hour, and boom, you will have that 100% battery guys. So if you ask me if it's still worth it to buy the Samsung Galaxy S10 in 2023, then guys, I can say it's still a very good phone. And to tell you honestly, I think that this is the best phone that Samsung has ever released, and I hope that they will still, create or make this kind of phone in the future. Okay guys, so if you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. And if you're interested guys, I put the link in the description box to the possible online shop that you can get the Samsung Galaxy S10. Once again guys, this is Josh, and I will see you in our next video.